This DOTCLAD 3QT hybrid pan is a fantastic option for your kitchen. It works like a charm. And cleaning it is super easy. You can even toss it in the dishwasher. This pan is made with a hybrid non-stick surface. So, food doesn't stick. And it's a breeze to scrub. Plus, it's PFOA-free, which is a great investment for your health. This DOTCLAD 3QT hybrid pan isn't just for one type of stove. It works on induction, ceramic, and gas cooktops. That's pretty useful. And it's also oven safe. So, you can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. It's like having a superhero in your kitchen departments. The 10-inch size and deep design are perfect for frying. And it even comes with a lid. Overall, the DOTCLAD 3QT hybrid pan is a solid choice. It's durable like stainless steel. Yet it has the easy non-stick feature. It's a versatile pan. And it makes cooking simpler. If you're looking for a reliable sauté pan that won't let you down, this DOTCLAD 3QT hybrid pan could be the one. It aims to make your time in the kitchen less of a disaster and more enjoyable. Pros: non-stick, PFOA-free, stainless steel, deep frying, with lid, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Induction ready, ceramic ready, gas ready. Cons: DOTCLAD Saute pan, hybrid non-stick 3-quart sauté pan, PFOA-free, stainless steel 10-inch. Deep frying pans with lid, dishwasher safe, oven safe, induction cooktops, ceramic cooktops. Gas cooktops. Features: DOTCLAD, hybrid non-stick 3-quart, PFOA-free, stainless steel 10-inch, deep frying pan. With lid, dishwasher safe, oven safe. The DOTCLAD Saute pan is a 3-quart, 10-inch deep frying pan made of stainless steel with a hybrid non-stick surface that is PFOA-free. It comes with a lid and is safe to use in the dishwasher and oven. This pan works on all kinds of stovetops, including induction, ceramic, and gas. This DOTCLAD Saute pan is a 3-quart, 10-inch deep frying pan with a lid, made from stainless steel with a hybrid non-stick surface that is PFOA-free. It's safe to use in the dishwasher and oven. And it works on all types of stovetops, including induction, ceramic, and gas. This pan is designed to help you cook with less oil and is easy to clean.